Good morning. Pre-algebra. It's a bright, sunshiny day, and I hope that the stuff here makes sense to you today. We're going to look at the word congruent. Congruent means the same shape, exactly the same size. So these two triangles are exactly the same shape and the same size. The symbol for congruent is an equal sign, a little squiggly thing on top like that. So when you see that, that means congruent. Okay, a congruent statement is when you take one triangle and you make it equal, say how it's equal to the other. Well, you have to be careful when you do this because angle A right here has one mark in it. And so the one that has one mark over here is F. So if you're going to match these up, it would be triangle F would have to be the letter that comes first. And C matches with E, so E would be next. And then B matches with D, and so D would be next. You got to do it in that right order. You can't just switch it around. Another word we're going to learn today is corresponding. And corresponding means matching sides or the angles. To be truthful, like if angle A is 20 degrees, then angle F is exactly 20 degrees. If A to C was 10, that means that from 1 to 3, that means over here this would be exactly 10. So the sides are equal and the angles are equal to each other. Now they're going to ask you in the work today to do corresponding parts of these two triangles. And so what you have to do is you can pick whatever letter you want to start with in here. I picked angle A, and you have to match it with the one over here. So it's a pretty simple assignment or idea. So angle A has one mark in it, so it's going to match with angle F. B has 2, that matches with D. And angle C is going to match with angle E. So that's what they mean by writing down corresponding angles. And this is corresponding parts as the sides. So AC. Now A to C goes from 1 mark to 3 marks. So that would be F to E. And again, the order is very important when you do this. C to B would be 3 to 2. So 3 to 2 would be E to D. Have to be in that order. A to B from 1 to 2, so A to B, 1 to 2 be on top there, this would be F to D. Okay, so that's the new stuff today. I think you'll find that pretty easy. This is the old stuff. I just want to run through an example because some have a little bit of trouble with this. If we take this, we need to add the x's together. We get 3x, x, and x, that's 5x. Add my numbers, I get 14 and 6 is 20, plus 80 is 100. And I know that because this is a quadrilateral, that's going to add up to 360 degrees. And so I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides, and that gives me that 5x equals 260. And then I'm going to divide by 5 on both sides, and we'll get that x equals 52. And so what they want you to do is put these and plug them in. So this angle is 52. This angle, 3 times 52 is 156, plus 6 is 162. This angle is just going to stay 80. This angle is going to be 52 plus 14, which is 66. Now when you add these together, they better add up to 360. That knows if you're right or not. So this is a little bit of the old stuff. Your assignment today is over here. Page 521, 1 through 5, you're doing this. And 6 through 17, you're doing that. Alrighty, so hope you have a great day and that work is quick for you.